I almost signed up for Hailuo AI at 2 a.m. You know that moment, tired, scrolling. Everything sounds like a good idea. The demos looked impressive, the claims were bold, but something told me to pause. Because I've seen this pattern before. So instead of buying it, I tested it properly. Step 1. Why I looked at Hailuo AI. Everyone's chasing faster content right now. More output, less effort. Hailuo AI promises to help with exactly that. Generate content quickly with minimal input. I wasn't looking for a miracle, I just wanted to know if it actually saves time or just creates more cleanup work. Step 2. First time inside the tool. When I logged in, my first thought was, okay, this is simple. Not flashy, not confusing. Which I like, but simple tools can still disappoint, so I kept my expectations low. Step 3. Actually using it. I ran a few real tests, nothing fancy. Some outputs were honestly decent, others felt rushed, like the AI gave me the first idea and moved on. That's when it hit me. Hailuo AI doesn't replace thinking, it speeds up drafts. Step 4. What worked and what didn't. What worked? Fast results, easy to use, good for quick ideas. What didn't? Inconsistent quality. Needs editing? Weak prompts give weak output. If you expect publish-ready content every time, you'll be frustrated. Step 5. Who this is really for. Hailuo AI makes sense if you already know what you're doing and just want to move faster. If you're hoping it'll do the thinking for you, it won't. It's an assistant, not a creator. Final thoughts. So before getting Hailuo AI, here's the honest truth. It's useful, but only if you use it right. It won't replace skill, taste, or experience, but it can shave off time, and sometimes that's all you need. Just don't expect magic. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next one.